Let we start our assignment. First we initialize our all the important libraries such as Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib. Mainly NumPy is used for array purpose and Panda is used for data handling and Matplotlib is used for graph purposes. Then we load the Boston data and describes the Boston data. And we make a data of all the features with column name, feature name, which is CRIM, ZN, Indus and many more. And if we want to print a unique features such as RM, then we print like this. And if we want to print the target value, then in a data frame then we write like this. And if we want to find the maximum or minimum of any feature or any target value, then we write like this. And now we concat the features and target in same data frame. Now we describe the features. In this we find count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, percentile and a maximum value. Here we find a correlation and we using a Pearson model for our correlation. And here we get a incross in matrix. In this we get a correlation with each one. And we finally wanted a correlation with respect to the target, and now we make a pair with respective features. That's why we use a z function, and then we sort with respect to the correlated values, how much they are correlated with the target, and then we unzip the values. Then we get to list a first one is for correlated value and the second one is a feature. Then we plot our graph is basically correlation with target value and features. So from graph we clearly know that illustrate is highly correlated with the target value. Now we write in a single array, that's why x is equal to this and y is equal to this. And for normalizing our range from 0 to 1 we use min max scalar function. Then we update our m and c values. So we write this code. For error function we write this code. Now we split our data in two form, xtext and xtrain, where text size is 0.2. Here we initialize landing direct, initial m, initial c and error threshold, and write a code for gradient descent, which finally gives our MC and error values. MC values. Error values mainly considered all the error values, and MC values considered all the MC values. Now we finally got our best fit line, and they will as scattered as extended bytes. Here we get error versus iteration. Here if iteration increases our error decreases. Here we get our target values and predicted value, and the graph is shown. Now finally we set an actual range value of target value and predicted value, and this one is the graph of our predicted value and our best fit line or